Seychelles is unique and it's paradise to discover, not just with the local product that we have, but also our nature, our beach.
What's so special about Seychelles is the way of living. All the people are so friendly. The food in Seychelles is so unique because of the spice and the ingredient that we use. And when you try our local food, you know you must come to Seychelles.
Our food is prepared with local spice, with local product, and it's something that you will need to try, especially like our curries. I use curry by pairing with a local octopus. Mine is prepared with coconut milk. I make my coconut milk by sitting on a coconut grating band. Then after grating it, you need to put some water, squeeze it with hand. Then after remove all the particles of the coconut, then you strain it. Then you get the fresh coconut milk. This is something that I learned from home with my mom and grandma. This curry is something that you can see across the island. The taste of it is just wow.
At the market, we pick up some spice and one red snapper that we buy, eat fresh. It's good that you know the people who's selling the product, the vegetable or the fish, or even from the butcher. We all know each other and we know the product is fresh and it's going to be great in our dish. Red snapper is light flesh fish. It's so tender and juicy. It goes with lots of spices. I score the fish and I season it with salt, pepper, and I open to put the marination that I make. I grill the fish very slow to allow it to cook very tender. This is a great example of what you can see in Seychelles.
When I go to the market, it tells me what to prepare. Like today, we have some amazing banana. To make the banana flambé, I make brown sugars caramelized. I prepare some vanilla essence, some fresh orange juice. I allowed it to cook slow before I flambe with takamaka rum, which is made locally in Seychelles. This is a traditional dessert here in Seychelles, and it's also showcase the local ingredient that we have available.
Yeah, Seychelles is a very colorful island. We have lots of beautiful beaches and mountain and the views that you can see. This is a must-visit place because of the beauty of Seychelles. And when you try our local food, you know you must come to Seychelles.